1 second you're enjoying your ride. The next, you're on the ground because of a mistake most new scooter riders make. If you ride an electric scooter on public roads, these safety tips could save you from a crash. Electric scooters are fast, convenient, and fun. But riding on the road is very different from riding in an empty parking lot. Before you start, you need to know how to stay safe around cars, cyclists, and pedestrians. First, do a quick safety check. Make sure your brakes work properly, your tires have enough air, and your battery is charged. Don't forget to check your front and rear lights. Next, put on a helmet. It may seem simple, but a helmet is one of the best ways to protect yourself if something goes wrong. When you're ready to ride, place one foot on the scooter deck, push off gently, and slowly apply the throttle. Avoid sudden acceleration until you're comfortable. Always ride in the same direction as traffic and stay in your designated lane. Keep a safe distance from parked cars because doors can open unexpectedly. Before turning, signal your intention clearly. Make eye contact with drivers whenever possible so they know you've been seen. Approaching an intersection? Slow down. Look left, right, and left again. Never assume drivers see you, even if you have the right of way. Watch the road surface carefully. Potholes, gravel, wet pavement, and debris can cause you to lose control in an instant. If you're riding at night, visibility is critical. Turn on your lights and wear reflective clothing so drivers can spot you from a distance. Remember, safe riders are predictable riders. Follow traffic laws, avoid distractions, and keep both hands on the handlebars whenever possible. Now you know the basics of riding an electric scooter safely on the road. Ride smart, stay alert, and enjoy every trip. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tips, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite electric scooter model?